Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Hansford Intensive mask, which is here. The mask has been made to protect your colour treated hair. It will also deeply nourish your hair without weighing it down in any way, leaving it looking really shiny, hydrated and moisturised, which is exactly what my hair needs at the moment. And so I'm going to show you how to use it today. So you can use this as an everyday treatment, or you can use it as a weekly treatment, and you can also use it as a overnight treatment. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm just going to show you how you apply the product to your hair. So you need to start off with obviously giving your hair a good comb through, just making sure you've got all knots out of your hair so it's easier to apply, and then just section it off quite roughly. You want to leave yourself with big enough sections. I'm just going to literally just split that into two, like this, and obviously get my mask. You don't need loads of mask because it does spread really well, so probably about that much. And I'm just going to work that into the mids and ends of my hair. So I will be doing the root area at the ends, but for now I'm just going to do the mids and ends, just so I can show you exactly how it's done. Okay, so once you've done the mids and ends of your hair, you're then going to get a little bit more mask like this and just kind of rub it all the way through. Just run it through your root area. Again, it doesn't matter if it's on the roots because it's so lightweight. So once you've done that, then I will just comb the mask through my hair just to make sure it's totally covered. Once I've done that, just rubbed it all the way through, just tie it up. Put it in a little bun. You can do it however way you want to do it, but because I'm going to sleep in it, I'm just going to put it in a bun. It's a little bit more comfortable. And that's finished. Hi everyone, so I shampooed off my mask that I slept in last night, and this is the result. So it's a lot healthier looking, a lot more shiny, and a lot more nourished. So exactly what I wanted.